Basket is a clipboard manager application designed to reduce the hassle of switching between screens when performing copy and paste actions. With Basket, copying and pasting are done in a single flow, so you won't need to constantly switch back and forth between apps or windows. Let's take a look at the buttons. The green button, this button starts the clipboard listener. When it's active, the app monitors your clipboard for changes and automatically saves any new copied text. Once you click it, the button turns red. This indicates the listener is on. While the listener is on, anytime you press Ctrl C, a new block of text will be added to the app. You can interact with the text blocks. Right-clicking a block will open a dialog that allows you to edit the text. Left-clicking a block will select it, indicated by the yellow background. You can select multiple blocks by clicking others. To deselect, simply click a selected block. You may have noticed that the hand buttons became faded when the listener was activated. That's because copying actions from within the apps are disabled while listening. Click the red button again to stop listening. The hand buttons will now be active again. Yellow hand button. When pressed with one or more blocks selected, it copies the selected text to your clipboard. You can then paste it anywhere using Ctrl V. The other hand button works like Ctrl X, it copies the selected text and then removes the blocks from the app. Trash can button deletes all currently selected blocks. All button selects or deselects all current text blocks. Pink button minimizes the app. Two-sided arrow button expands or shrinks the app vertically to fit more or fewer text blocks. Green edge button switches the position of the app's edge. Dark purple button opens a dialog to configure how text blocks are separated when copied together. Inside the dialog, there are two buttons. The New Line button adds a new line between copied text blocks, and the blue button with three lines lets you define a custom separator pattern and how many times it repeats between copied blocks. Fat button toggles keyboard shortcuts. If you see a red X, it means shortcuts are disabled. Help button opens the help dialog which explains everything that I've covered here in this video. Shortcuts. Alt plus B minimizes or restores the app. Alt plus C starts the clipboard listener. Alt plus C copies the selected block. Alt plus X copies and deletes the selected blocks. Alt H grows or shrinks. Alt E switches the edge position of the app in the screen. Alt plus comma opens the separator dialog. Alt plus Q opens help dialog. Alt plus A selects all blocks, and lastly, Alt plus T activates or deactivates shortcuts. And by the way, you don't need to hold down the keys, just press them one after another in combination.